Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of gold. This is daily time frame. Now the gold has gone for higher high 4. On daily time frame I want to show two things. Then we will further break this down on 4-hour time frame. This was the low of the market and this is the high 4 of the market. What are these numbers? You can watch my previous videos in which I have named these higher low 1, higher low 2, higher high 1, higher high 2, higher high 3, high and low. These are the references that you can watch my previous videos. And the gold has gone for higher high 4 at 1850. Now two things that I want to show you on daily time frame, then we will go for 4-hour time frame. Now this wick has been broken to the upward and still no resistance has been created, so this has been broken to the upward. Now this is the level 1850. The gold has gone upward for higher high 4 and now it is expected to come down for higher low 5. Higher low 4 is where it is. This is the level, okay, that I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame. Here this is not clear, but on the daily time frame, the fun thing that I wanted to show you, that this level is broken to the upward and gold is still bullish, and this is the move that is higher high 4. Now it is going downward for higher low 5. The second thing is, if you watch my previous video, or you will notice on MT4 or trading view, this level higher low 1 was not 1732 that it is being shown here. When the market was running, it was under 30. It was around, I think, 25, 17, 25, 17, 23, 24, 25, 28. That was a wick for a 1 minute wick. That was a one minute time frame move. Then after retesting that, the gold went up. But this time when I was analyzing this chart, this is looking at this down higher low 1 is looking at 1732, that previously was being shown here on trading view under 30, and I have noticed this on MT4 where it is also below 30. So you also watch on your trading view and MT4 what was the level of higher low 1. Okay, that is the thing that you may do, but let us move to the 4-hour time frame for further breakdown understanding of these levels, because this is not clear on daily time frame. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. Now this was the higher high 1. Okay, then market came downward for 1765. This was the higher low 2. From higher low 2, the market went up for higher high 2 at 1824. Then it came downward for higher low 3, that was around 1773. From here it went up to higher high 3, that was around 1833. After this higher high 3, it came downward for higher low 4. After this higher low 4, this is the, let me text, I think from the daily we will have to bring the text here. I don't know whether you are watching this or not. This is higher high 4. I had set in the daily time frame. Yes, it is now. Oh, yes. Oh, exactly here. This is the higher high 4. So the market is expected come down for higher low 5, and it is high probability that the market will make higher low 5 above this, because this is higher low 4, and this is still bullish. And if we don't know what happens, but it is high probability that it will come down for higher low 5, and that will be above this level, above higher low 4. Higher low 4 is 1797. It is high probability that higher low 5 will be above this level. So maybe it could come here. This was the level, that was the 4-hour time frame level. After making this, it retested this level and went upward. So this is higher low 4, and now it is expected that the gold will come for down for higher low 5, and it is expected somewhere here 1800 plus something. So this is my analysis, and thank you for watching, and like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.